Hi, in this tutorial we will be implementing a group policy to prohibit access to USB flash drives within the technology department. We will be first logging into our server to implement these policies. We will navigate to tools and then select group policy management. In group policy management, navigate to organizational unit for the technology department. Right click and then select a GPO in this domain and link it here. We will name the GPO as restrict USB access. Next, we will now edit the newly created GPO under computer configuration, expand policies and then administrative templates and then select system. Here choose removable. So we will navigate for removable storage access. In this section, enable the policies that deny read and write access to removable storage. We can see we will navigate to removable storage access, and then disable. We can comment at it. We will enable this policy which denies access to removable storage. Allow access. Access device. Now we will click on apply and then OK to confirm it. We will now try to plug in a flash drive to see if it was successfully implemented on our client PC. We have logged into our client PC and we have attached a USB flash drive. We will navigate to removable disk and double click and then we can see the access is denied. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating on how to block access to a specific website using group policy. Our target is to block access to https www.cisco.com for the technology department. Currently, as we speak, we can access the Cisco website from our local browser. So to start, we will create a group policy object in the group policy management. We will open the Seva manager. Type in Seva manager. We will navigate to tools and group policy management. Right click and then click on create a GPO in this domain and link it here. We will name it as block Cisco website. Cisco website. Okay, to confirm it. Next, we will edit the GPO. We will and then navigate to configuration. Computer configuration. Policies. Expand the policies and then Windows setting and then choose security settings. Security settings and then Windows Firewall and advanced security. We will expand it. We will now try to locate outbound rules and then we will right click to create a new rule. Scroll down. Right click to create a new rule. New rule. In the rule setup, we will choose custom and then specify the path of to the browser executables, meaning from which browser we will access. We can either do it from the Chrome or Firefox or even Microsoft Edge as well. It should point to the location where the .exe files are located of these browsers. We will now click on next to continue. Just to confirm. Next. We need to type in the IP address of the Cisco website. Okay, next block the connection. Next, we will add in a name which will be block Cisco website and finish to confirm it. After finalizing and naming the rule, we will run the GP update force on a client machine to apply the changes. The site cisco.com will be blocked on all machines within the technology department.